Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore Ishares Bitcoin Trust in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has designated Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.94. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 53.85% since we initially identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 39 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.38% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper part of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, currently at $60.12, would first indicate an increased rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 73.09% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 42.3% and 80.03%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 36.77% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 18.44% and 27.15%. This translates to a price range of $47.14 to $73.50 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust highlights a stronger technical forecast for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price following Friday's trading session. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price experienced a gain of 2.48% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of December, 2024. The price rose from $56.40 to $57.80. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.61%, with a low of $56.18 and a high of $58.21. Over the past 2 weeks, the ETF has seen an overall gain of 3.4%. However, it's important to note that volume decreased by 37 million shares on the last day, with a total of 48 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.79 billion. A decline in volume while prices rise can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $59.16, while the lowest was $22.02. Currently, the price stands 2.3% or $1.36 below the 52-week high of $59.16, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding IBIT, particularly the launch of Bitcoin exchange-traded fund options by BlackRock on the 19th of November, have the potential to significantly influence its stock price. This landmark event is expected to attract substantial inflows into cryptocurrencies, signaling a shift in interest from both institutional and retail investors. The enthusiasm surrounding this launch, along with Bitcoin recently surpassing the $100,000 threshold, positions IBIT favorably in a rapidly growing market. Despite a brief flash crash in Bitcoin's price, analysts remain optimistic about the ongoing rally. This volatility, while impacting short-term sentiments, is not projected to undermine the overall bullish trend, which is supported by a favorable regulatory environment under the new administration and increasing institutional adoption. The anticipated surge of over $1 trillion in net inflows into the U.S. exchange-traded fund market further enhances the potential for sustained growth in crypto investments. In the long term, if Bitcoin maintains its price above the $100,000 mark, it could drive IBIT's valuations higher, attracting more investors eager to capitalize on this trend. Overall, these developments create a compelling mix of excitement and potential for both immediate gains and long-term growth in the cryptocurrency space, making IBIT a stock to watch closely in the upcoming months. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $55.69 and $47.43. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, November 26, 2024, and since then the fund has increased by 11.8%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Here are some intriguing signals you might want to consider. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 19 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 57 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 41 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 39 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $52.13. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $51.04 and $43.40. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this exchange-traded fund is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the fund moved $2.03 between its high and low points, which represents 3.61%. Over the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 4.26%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the exchange-traded fund could rise swiftly under favorable conditions. In this situation, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust faces its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, suggesting a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $55.97, reflecting a decrease of 3.16%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 7 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good investment? The Ishares Bitcoin Trust shows several promising indicators and is part of a robust upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a sound option at current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. However, after examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of December, we expect the Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open lower by 403 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $57.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with best wishes from everyone here at Stock Invest.